Okay folks, so back at the property on another day. I've only got a couple of hours, so I don't want to start any big jobs, so I'm just going to use this time to mark out the ceiling and the walls. So we're going to be lining the ceiling and the walls with lining paper 1400 grade, and then we're going to paint over it basically. So this is the lining paper which we'll be using today. So these cost £8 for a 20 metre roll. So the size is, let's have a look, 530mm by 20 metres long, and overall it will give you 10.6 square metres. So what I'm going to do then, basically I'm going to put this up against the wall after I've found out where the middle of the wall is, and we'll measure out from then, because we don't want little teeny weeny strips which we have to fit in. We want to try and make sure that when we put this lining paper on the wall, we've got some nice big wide chunky bits on there, rather than having to fiddle about with little tiny strips and glue them in somewhere. So I've got that. Right, okay, so the point is, as I say, to try and make sure so far as we can that we don't have little teeny strips. So all I'm going to do, look, just use this just to measure the width of the roll, just to see what we're going to be after. So easy. So that will work. £24.60 is £12.30. More like it. Yeah, okay, so what we'll do, we'll drop a line from there. Yeah, perfect. Right guys, so in terms of papering the ceiling, I'm going to try and get an edge somewhere in the middle of this thing here, okay, this pendant. So this is the width of a roll. So what we're going to do, I've already measured this out, so I know where this is going to go, look. So we'll have an edge there. We'll have an edge there. We'll have an edge there. So we know we've got a little overhang at the edge with the paper. We know this comes out 490mm. So 490mm out from that corner, 490mm out from that corner. Run a string between the two. Mark some little dots just to sort of join it up basically, and then I'll get a straight edge and we'll get a nice clear defined line between the two, and that will be where the edge of the first paper will be laid. Now I don't want to go too much further than that, it won't be necessary. So that one there. Right guys, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing then. So each one of these strips which I'm cutting needs to be 96 inches. Now I know the length of the table is 70 inches, so I'm short 26 inches. So what I'm doing then, I've measured 26 inches from the end, which is there. So I don't need the tape anymore once I've ascertained that. Reason being that when I start to roll this, I'm going to put it to the end of the table. Mark 70 inches, which is the end. And I'm going to line up that line with a 26-inch line, and then take it to the end of the table, which is there. So that's where I need to cut. Like that. And it's actually really easy to do it. And as you can see, it doesn't take too long to start building up a nice little stockpile.